How to transfer from PayPal to Binance. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch a preferred browser and log into your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, firstly check for the PayPal balance. So first step is to click on transfer money. Then select a bank account that is linked to your PayPal and both your Binance. This is because there is no direct way to transfer the money from your PayPal to your Binance. So now it is transferred to your respective bank account. Open your Binance. In here, you need to head over to payment and select on bank deposit. Choose your preferred bank transfer method, then follow the instruction to deposit the fund. Some of the cryptocurrency exchange like Bybit does allow users to buy crypto using PayPal. However, it might also cost you hidden fees. Make sure that the crypto transaction is generally irreversible. So make sure to check for the correct wallet address before confirming the transaction. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.